All right, guys, I'm going to help you in making a PowerPoint presentation. I told you to go to Clever, and then you're going to find Office 365. I've already found mine, and I've moved it up to my favorites. So if you don't see yours up at the top, scroll down, and you'll see it underneath Links. You can find it, and you're going to click and fill in that heart. Once you do, Office 365 will be at the top of your screen like mine. Click on it, and it's going to pull up all of our Office 365 software that we're able to use. We want to do a PowerPoint, which is this orange circle. So click on that, and we're going to click the plus sign for a new presentation. Now, all we're going to do is exactly what it tells us to do on the screen. Click to add a title. So we're going to click in here to add our title. My title is going to be my name. Now you need to actually type your name. Don't write the word N-A-M-E. Now we don't have to put anything down here if we don't want to. Click over here. And we want to add maybe a cool background. You have some choices. You can come over here to the side and look through all of these backgrounds here. And there's even a see more design ideas. So you can scroll down and just find the one that really kind of speaks to you and looks really neat. There we go. I've got mine set up. Now, I'm not done. I have not put any information about myself yet. I need to insert some more information, right? So I'm going to go to the word insert. Right there, it's 1, 2, 3 in, insert, and I'm going to insert a new slide. Once I do, I'm going to choose what I want my slide to look like. So I can have a slide that has, oh, this says picture, and I want to add pictures. So I'm going to click on one that says picture. Depending on the background, you're going to have different options whenever you click in here, okay? So we're going to add, tells us, click to add a title. Just do that. My favorite things. And you can fill something in here if you want to. You don't have to. That's the really cool thing. If you don't click anything, you can see over here on the side, nothing is showing up. It's just blank. So if you choose not to use this box, you don't have to. But here we can click to add a picture. We can pull a picture from our actual computer, or we can pull a picture from online. These are called stock images. Stock images are safe images that we could use. So we can pull from these. You can scroll down and just kind of find some things that really, oh, I saw something that just really popped out at me. My favorite things, cupcakes. Arr, yay! I'm going to insert a picture of a cupcake. Yes, because I love cupcakes. Remember, I love to bake. Wow. Okay, so I want to add another picture. Oh no, my box is gone. My easy way to add a picture is gone. But I remember I want to insert a picture. So let's come over here. That third choice again, we're going to click on insert. Look at this. It's a picture. We're going to insert a picture. Remember, we want to stick with the safe pictures, so we'll go to stock images. So click on stock images. Maybe you like food. Maybe you like flowers. Maybe you like animals. You can just keep scrolling through here to see all the different options. Or you can just scroll down and look at all the pictures that are here and see what really speaks to you. If anything there is really cool. All right. Oh, I like teddy bears. So I'm going to add a picture of a teddy bear. Okay. Oh, look, it even overlaps for me. I can move that if I want to, so they're not overlapping. I can keep adding pictures. Look over here, though. I can change what my screen looks like. If I like one of these better because my screen looks kind of boring, maybe, just come over here and find one that you really like. I like that one. I like the circles. Look what it did. It fixed everything for me. I can even add another picture over here if I want to. Insert a picture. Stock images. Remember, we want to go with the safe choices. And I like nature a lot. So I'm going to click on nature. I love flowers. So I'm going to add a picture of a flower. And I could just pull it over here. I can make it nice and big. And I could change my format again and click on this so that everything kind of fits in. Let me move that over. Click and move, click and move, click and move. That's all you have to do. Just keep clicking and moving. Now I want to add another slide, so I'll go to my third choice again and click Insert, a new slide, and I see that picture choice again. So I'm going to choose the picture. I'm going to add my title. maybe I'm going to write my family, and I'm going to add a picture. I can pull up a picture from my computer, so if you have pictures of your family, you can pull them up, or you can go to stock images. Now, we can type in brother, because I have some brothers. There we go, and I can insert a picture, so you can just tell everybody that you have a brother. You can also insert a picture. We're going to go insert, and we're going to add a picture. Stock images. You can go to Bing also if your parents are supervising you to make sure that you're choosing correct pictures. Okay. Dad. Oh, Dad did not show up. Not all of these show up when we're doing stock images. Oh, so I typed in parent. And I can add a picture here. Again, you can add your own pictures as well if you want to. We're just going to keep adding pictures. And let me choose a background that I really like. Ooh, I like that one. Yep, I definitely like that one. And I'm going to do insert one more slide. I'm going to choose something with pictures again. And my title is and I could say my pets, but not everybody has pets, so I can say my hobby. And I'm going to add a picture. Maybe you like to play baseball. So we can click in here and we can add a picture of someone playing baseball. I'm going to go to insert, a new picture, and go to stock images. Maybe I like cheerleading. Let's see if that's in here. Oh, it's not in there. Let's see if cheer is in there. Oh, you know what? That looks like cheerleading. It's kind of like what I do when I'm in cheerleading. We all do stuff together, hold hands, and do different chants and everything. So that's kind of like cheerleading. I could definitely explain that whenever I give my presentation. And let me choose a slide that I like. Ooh, I like this one, how it's going side by side. There we go. And I can add more text here. I can write down that I like to play baseball and I like to do cheerleading. When you're all done, the great thing about this is it saves for you. You can see up here it says saved, but you want to change the name of it. So click up here, and we're going to erase that presentation 4, and we're going to title it by your name. So if your name is Elizabeth, write Elizabeth, whatever your name is. And you just hit enter, and it is saved. Or you can come to File, and you can click Save to save a copy, and save it wherever you would like to on your computer. That's it.